YouTube, what's going on? Are you guys looking for a way to get your game more vibrant and less dull, less shadows so guys aren't hiding in corners? Well, this is the video for you guys. If you're on console, unfortunately I don't know of an option that this is available for you guys, but if you are on PC, I got you guys covered. So first off, you're going to need an nvidia graphics card, whether that be the 16 series, the 10 series, 20 series, or the newest 30 series. From there, I'll show you guys what to do. But first, if you guys do enjoy this video, feel free to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss when a new video goes live. And I do live stream on Twitch pretty much every day, anywhere between 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern. A link to my Twitch will be in the description down below. And if you guys do want to help support the channel in any way, there is a link in the description for buying me a coffee. So you guys can either buy me a coffee. I do make thumbnails. I do all my own thumbnails, so if you guys want to purchase like a thumbnail or two, the option is there. And there's also my color correction pack, which as of right now is free, so I'll leave a link to that down there as well. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the nvidia website. It's just nvidia.com. It'll come up to this page. Then you're going to want to click GeForce Experience. From there, you're going to click download now, download it, install it, all that good stuff. After you do that, you're going to have this icon hopefully pop up on your desktop. If not, open the app, create a shortcut, put it on your desktop. It's so much easier. So you're going to open it, and the homepage is going to look like this. It's going to have all your games that are accessible for nvidia, whether that be the highlights, recordings, the in-game overlays, all that good stuff. So you're going to go to settings, the general tab, and then you want to make sure your in-game overlay is on. From here, you can go into the settings of your in-game overlay and kind of turn on or off whatever you want and don't want. I turn my nvidia highlights off just because I can record stuff in OBS and go back and get stuff, so I'm not super concerned about that. But I leave it on so that I can change the colors and stuff of my game with the game filters. So I'll show you guys how to do that in a Warzone game. Alright guys, so typically this is what your Warzone game is going to look like. It's really dull. Like if I inspect my weapon, you see the colors, but like they're not amazing. Now, while you're in game, so preferably do this in like a pre-game lobby or, you know, the main lobby. Click Alt F3, it'll bring up game filters. Here's mine. So sharpen, I have sharpen to 60, ignore film grain at 2, I don't know, it's supposed to be at 0. From there, I have brightness and contrast. Here's my settings. And then color as well. There's my settings. I turn vibrance up a lot, just it helps with the color. And then click done, and then you go back. So this is what my game normally looks like. So you see the roof's a lot more vibrant. My colors on my gun, they're a lot more vibrant. Basically, I would play around with this personally because everybody's kind of different when they see color. So the best bet for you guys was going to be to just play around with it. You can copy my settings and then kind of fool around with it from there. But that's kind of how I get my game to look a hell of a lot better. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Or if you guys are looking for a community to join, hop in my Discord. I will leave a link to that in the description down below as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.